They have their own building management system. What is building management system? Building management system manages your access controls, how exactly your lifts are working, how exactly your centralized ACs are working. And then there is something called as critical backup systems. There is a generator, there is a UPS system for anything which is like ICU equipment. All these equipments are working in a typical hospital. Imagine, and you have your ambulances as well, and you have your own staff as well. In a typical setup, the IT and the operations team are running around to monitor different softwares, hospital management system, building management system, your critical backup systems, your energy systems, and everything. They have to maneuver from one application to the other. How about if I tell you that we can cross-integrate everything together onto one consolidated solution? How's that sound?
Perfect.
Sounds amazing, right? But what is cross-integration wherein you cannot relate from one application to the other, finding that relatability? So I'll give you a simple example. A hospital management system cannot be integrated in a typical way to a specific PLC, which is your metering system, electric system, what is the consumption of electricity. We integrate everything together, giving you a bird's eye view of where exactly there is a lack, where exactly your performance is lacking,